IFPC Pet Insurance Sweden app. The pros, the cons. The IFPC Pet Insurance Sweden app is designed to make pet insurance management straightforward and efficient. You might assume it's only for checking policy details, but it actually lets you submit claims, track premiums, and monitor coverage in real time. On the pros side, the app provides full access to policy details covering accidents, illnesses, and optional wellness plans. Claim submission is simple. You can upload vet bills, receipts, and photos directly from your phone. Premium management is easy with reminders and a full payment history. Push notifications keep you informed on claim updates, policy changes, and upcoming payments. Multi-pet support makes it convenient for households with several pets. On the cons side, offline functionality is limited, so most features require an internet connection. Some users report slower performance when accessing older claims or large documents. Advanced tools like cost calculators or wellness trackers are missing, which could be a downside for owners looking for more detailed insights. In conclusion, the IFPC Pet Insurance Sweden app is a reliable and practical tool for Swedish pet owners. While it lacks advanced features, it performs exceptionally well in claims handling, premium tracking, and policy monitoring, offering convenience and peace of mind.